Welcome to the channel. It looks like you've found yourself in one of those situations that can drive even the calmest person crazy. Your Samsung A15 is locked, you've forgotten the password, and every time you try to turn the device off, it asks for that same password again. It almost feels like your phone has taken you hostage. At this point, some people start pressing every button randomly, others search through forums for answers, and some are already thinking about taking the device to a repair shop. But don't rush. There is a solution, and it's much easier than you might think. In fact, today I'll show you more than one method. The most obvious option is to wait for the battery to run out. Yes, technically it works, but waiting for several hours is probably not part of your plan. So, I'm going to show you a method that takes less than a minute. Just follow each step carefully so you don't make any unnecessary mistakes. Let's get started. Connect your Samsung to a computer or another phone. Then press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. As soon as the screen turns black, quickly switch to holding the power button and volume up instead. Keep holding them until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to scroll down to power off. Then press the power button to confirm. That's it. The phone is completely turned off, and you can finally go to sleep. Now watch how I do it.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.